Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a part of my lesson for UK course, and it is going to be about university life. The task itself is listening task 1, where students should listen to 6 speakers' monologues and make them with 7 statements. But before doing the task, we are going to discuss with students what possible problems university students can face during their first year. After having expressed their own ideas, I ask students to think and express their opinions on these issues: money, managing freedom, having new responsibilities, doing household chores, and coping with study load at university. Then I give a couple of minutes to my student to think over some possible solutions to these problems. All this stage is going to activate some knowledge of students to help them to listen these monologues. When we start doing listening task 1, first of all, we read all statements and to define the general idea of the task. So the students are clear about the general task because we have already discussed university problems. Then the next stage is to read statement by statement and underline the key words in each of them. I have underlined a few for you. So in the first statement, it is good to have a part-time job when you are a university student. The keywords will be here: good, part-time job. I don't underline a university student because the general idea about having problems at university, and so it's clear that university student is going to be in each statement. Then I ask my students to read these phrases, which I have taken from the script to the monologues, and to match them with these statements and to explain the connections between these phrases and these statements. For example, needless to say, a few of my white t-shirts now look pink. Which of these statements it can be connected? For example, it can be connected to statement number 4. Learning to do chores is a part of university life. And washing your t-shirts is doing one of your household chores. And that's why it is number 4. Only after then, I play the recording.
I wasn't a lazy kid at all. I studied hard and got...
And ask my students to take notes of some phrases which help them to make their choice. Then we are checking their answers, discussing if there are some controversial points, and then I want my students to use as much vocabulary as possible connected to the topic of university life. So I have prepared them some questions, and it's about their school life, their personal life, yeah, like timekeeping. Some of them maybe even have started having part-time jobs, and etc. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful for you, and I hope to see you at my lessons.